Greetings, Captain MacDonald of the 96th Regiment of Foot. I was based on Maria Island, which is a small island off the east coast of Tasmania, where we looked after convicts in the 1820s. And it's a pleasure to be here at the Wooden Boat Festival 2019, standing in front of Her Majesty's bark Endeavour.
2019 Wooden Boat Show, Tasmania, Hobart. Look at all the beautiful boats. There's a lot of boats here. He's a friend of mine. I'm trying to fix it. Not much luck. Oh shit.
Oh no.
Oh god.
Oh no.
Oh god.
Oh no. It's abstract. It's abstract.
Nothing to see here. This is an H-28. Yeah, she's over 100. She's an old girl, this one. Look at the canoe stern. It's beautiful. 40-foot Huon Pine. Lucy. Get this varnish work. These are some of the most well-maintained boats I've ever seen here. Huon Pine can last thousands of years. Doesn't rot in salt or fresh water. It's probably the most ideal timber to use for a wooden boat. And I'm learning about it here in Tasmania. And this is just exceptional. Look at this boat. I love this one. It's got a beautiful canoe stern. And this boom here. A Gafford cutter. She's like a little narwhal. Really nice rig. The Harris Shop's obviously one of my favourite boats. forgot, I think it's mangrove jack or something, but there's two of them here and they're both immaculate. I love the gold on the transom here. Look at this. So many beautiful boats together in one spot before. I'm so lucky to be here. I've wanted to be there, come to the wooden boat show for a long time. On this other side there's a whole load of motor sailors that I love all boats, but obviously motor sailors just not my thing, but still beautiful. Journeyman, another Huon Pine.
No, mahogany.
Oh, mahogany. Same as narwhal. Look at the cockpit, it's beautiful in there. I don't know if you can see very well. What do you think of the wooden boat show, guys?
Very, very inspiring.
Oh, right, okay.
Do you like the woodwork?
Terrible. Terrible.
Tell people what you're doing.
It's all about steel and fiberglass.
Tell people what we're doing here in Hobart, why we're here.
We came to buy a boat.
Speak up a bit, speak up a bit.
We came to buy a boat.
What kind of boat?
Huon Pine ketch over... Sloop. It's a sloop.
Yeah.
44 foot.
With a catch.
But she didn't work out. It wasn't meant to be, which is completely okay, because good things all take time.
Because we're getting that boat.
Loz likes this boat, I can see why. It's beautiful. I like the green, huh?
This is my favourite so far, I reckon.
Good choice. Why do you like this one?
I like this one because it's very big, but it's still not like you need 15 people.
And they have red sails.
And there's lots of deck space.
Isn't there?
And it's flat. And I like the timber sides, like when it's a bit deep.
Yeah.
It just has that real pirate feel.
Yeah. I agree.
And the worn mast, like,
Yeah.
it's just magical.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's a beautiful boat.
It's a perfect mixture between luxurious and rustic.
It's not too fancy.
Yeah.
It's not too fancy.
Yeah.
She means fancy. But yeah, it's a real pretty boat.
How would you get a mast on? Like, would you need, or is it winches or something?
No winches, mate. Big guns.
That is some serious pulling.
Yeah, well, she's got a
Oh, but
She's-
it's leveraged, isn't it?
4-to-1 purchase. It's got a 4-to-1 purchase, so if it weighs 100 kilograms, it's only 25 kilograms. Still a fair bit of weight.
How do you think, how many people would you need to sail it?
You could probably get away with 2 persons on board, but probably better with 3 or 4. I'm having so much fun, all these boats. The Lady Nelson. Belaying pins. An awesome rig. Just got a few square sails.
Well,